The issue of black money resonated in Parliament on Tuesday, the second day of the winter session, with the opposition upping the ante on the issue both inside and outside Parliament. Even before the Parliament convened at 11 a.m, Trinamool Congress members of Parliament sat in protest inside Parliament premises, holding black umbrellas with slogans like "Bring back black money" painted on them. As soon as both houses convened for the day, business was drowned in din. In the Lok Sabha, sloganeering Trinamool Congress MPs rushed to the well holding the umbrellas. They were soon joined by Congress, RJD, Aam Aadmi Party and SP MPs who also raised slogans demanding a response from Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the government's promise to return black money to India. As the din persisted, the Speaker adjourned the House till noon. The Rajya Sabha too saw uproarious scenes with JDU, SP and TMC MPs on their feet, shouting slogans and waving papers, attacking the government on the issue when the House assembled for the day.
सदन की कार्रवाई को दोपहर तक स्थगित करना पड़ा।
सदन के हो गए 6 महीना, हमने भी सोचा 6 महीना मौका मिलना चाहिए। अब ये काला धन कितना वापस आया है और कितना है, ये तो ये भी नहीं बता रहे काला धन कितना है और कब तक वापस लाएंगे।
With the opposition refusing to relent even after the Lok Sabha reassembled at noon, the government expressed its willingness to discuss the black money issue in Parliament.
They defamed the UPA 2 government on this issue only, and they went the door to door, city to city, town to town, village to village, they propagated. Therefore, they should apologize for this.
Absolutely.
That's why we want this. They should apologize for this.
They want to obstruct the truth. They don't want debate. They don't want discussion. They want to hide all their failures and crimes by creating this hangama. हमारा जमाना में कुछ हुआ नहीं, उनका जमाना में हुआ, उनका जमाना में हुआ सर। यूपीए के टाइम पे ये काला धन बाहर गए, समाधान उनको देना पड़ेगा। हमको क्या संकोच है, हम तैयार है बहस के लिए। सुबह भी कहा, दोपहर में भी कह रहा हूँ, कभी भी डिसाइड करे चेयर, हम बहस के लिए तैयार है।
With the opposition closing ranks behind the black money issue in Parliament in a bid to corner the government, the first working day of the winter session began on a stormy note. The question is, will the opposition take its belligerence now to key legislative agenda of the government? Parliament team, DD News.